Odunlade Adekola, and other Nollywood stars stormed Kunle Afod 50th birthday party. Welcome to Ejima TV. Please express yourself in the comment section by wishing the actor long life and prosperity, and also give this video a thumbs up like. Yoruba Nollywood stars came out in large numbers to celebrate one of their own, Kunle Afod, who stepped into the 50th club on Tuesday. Ejima TV reported that the celebrant had shared new photos of himself in several traditional outfits to mark his day, as he expressed gratitude to God for his new age. Kunle Afod stated that 50 is not a joke, as he called on his colleagues and fans to celebrate with him. The likes of Bimbo Thomas, Bimpe Akintunde, Mustapha Sholagbade, Yomi Gold, Cute Abiola, and more flooded his comment section with birthday wishes. His wife had penned a note to him appreciating him for tolerating her over the years. Reports made round that the Yoruba actor was throwing a star-studded birthday bash, as videos of his invite to colleagues and other entertainment artists surfaced online. On Tuesday night, the actor had almost all of his colleagues at his birthday bash, which took place in Lagos. The likes of Odunlade Adekola, Saidi Balogun, Fausat Balogun, Seyi Edun, Iyabo Ojo, Ronke Oshodi, Adeniyi Johnson, Biola Bayo, Bimpe Akintunde, and Aisha Lawal were at the event. Also spotted were Ola Anjorin, Femi Adebayo, Papa Show Ijebu, Ibrahim Shatta, Biodun Thomas, Kiki Bakare, Jigan Baboja, Mustapha Sholagbade, Lateef Adedimeji, Okiki Afolayan, and many more. Many of them turned up in the blue ashrebi to honor the actor. Thank you for listening to us, and please don't forget to click on subscribe, express yourself in the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up.